Well, as kids head back to school, cell phones are often a source of tension between students and parents. But many teachers say when used properly, there are some apps that can turn a phone into a powerful learning tool. It's back to the books for Simone Nardizzi of Nahant, a senior. She's juggling college applications and several AP classes.
It's a lot to handle.
But there really are apps for everything, and she uses several to help her with that workload, including Mathway.
You put the problem in and then it solves it for you, and then you click on a description for it. It goes step by step.
It does promote the understanding of what you would do to solve it and not just give you the answer as a way to, quote, cheat.
There are also free graphing calculators that work as well as the handheld models that cost $100 or more. But according to Chelmsford High School math teacher Matthew Bravanovan, many teachers won't allow kids to use the phones in class, and they're definitely a no-no for SAT and ACTs.
Organization is truly the key for all students.
For that, there's My Study Life, which can help students track assignments and class schedules, which can be complicated at many high schools.
At least like twice a week you get text from someone just being like, what day, like what classes do we have?
And for help with research papers, there's EasyBib.
Citing sources is probably the most complicated thing in the world, and having like an app that you just put in all the information, it creates it for you, is really helpful.
Another app that parents might like is called Off Time. It tracks phone use and shuts down the device for a certain period so kids can concentrate on what they're doing. We have a list of the apps on our website, cbsboston.com.